Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Guys, it's NG. Welcome to NGWorld. My friends, today I'll show you herbal hair dye at home without chemicals and to get natural red hair color. So the first thing we need is around half cup of dried hibiscus flowers, and you can use the fresh ones, and you need to grind them like so to get them like canna powder. And another bowl that we need to mix 50 ml of water with 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or corn flour, with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And you cannot skip the apple cider vinegar, my friends, because this is what will open the hair and it will make the hair absorb the color. And we need to heat it on the stove until we get this texture, and while it's hot, add to it the hibiscus flowers that we grinded earlier, and we need to mix very well until we get red color dye like so. At this stage you can use, but I prefer that we drain it or we filter it like so, and you can make a double quantity for longer hair. And the color is really strong, so it's going to be permanent. Apply it on the hair, on a clean hair that has no oils, and leave it for 1 to 2 hours, and then wash your hair like you normally do. And my friends, you will get a red shade hair without any chemicals or harmful ingredients. So my friends, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.